Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead, pop this off, change out the speaker. Thing is so haggard.
I guess that's not the proper way to do speakers.
Oh no. Previous owner just oh my god, is that painter's tape?
Oh yes it is.
Oh, there you have it, boys.
So a painter's tape is electrical tape? I didn't know that.
We have painter's tape. For what? I don't know.
Looks like something for electrical, but...
Alright, bring the light in here. I want to see what the hell's going on here.
Are those JBLs? Oh, those aren't bad.
It's the duals.
Dual? I don't know what those are, so I can't really say.
Alright, that's one way to get rid of something that you don't need. Kenwood. I don't need that bullshit. We need this. They're
For 40 bucks?
For the price, yeah.
Not to mention they don't have...
I need a light. Don't do wiring in the dark, kids.
Do it when there's a lightning storm outside. That's how all the cool kids do it. Right, Johnny?
Oh, yeah. You can solder these. You can do it the right way, or however you prefer.
There you go.
Weatherproofed.
Now you put the cover back on. Pops right in.
Ta-da! And voila!
Now this guy had a speaker wire going
through the door, under the rails, and straight into the back.
Under the rails, then under the carpet, and then oh. As you can see, we're gonna have our switch going all the way along here, through that little hole, and into the trunk.
2 hours later, we finally got this thing all hooked up and working. Speakers are connected, ground cable up to the trunk latch here, main power supply, remote is fused. Right now the amp is on. Let me show you how I got it connected to a remote switch. I have the main power supply switch here for the amp to turn on and off. So we're gonna turn it off right now, and we're gonna go make sure it's off.
Which it
no green light, right? And
appears it is.
Turn it on.
Yep, it's green.
All right, power on. Remote switch is working. Now let's go see how this sucker works. All right, car is off. I have it set to where I turn on the power, and the 12-volt supply will turn on, and the tablet should turn on in theory, and it works. And this is how we got a Nexus. Speakers are working.
that's actually pretty loud.
That's the tablet.
And theoretically, if you wanted to make your car a 4G LTE car, you just need to insert a SIM card into this tablet right here, and then you have mobile Wi-Fi.
Mobile Wi-Fi. Alright, we got a working Nexus 7 installed in a Mazda Miata.
That's pretty cool. But it has no steering wheel, Johnny. What are you going to do about that?
Oh.
You drive it like this, right?
Yeah, it's a show car. It doesn't have to go anywhere. Alright, we can even do YouTube. Like I said, you connect the hotspot to your phone, and that should give this tablet access to everything.
Or for this kind of tablet, you just have to have a SIM card in there.
Yeah, either way. So we'll wait for that.
I'm on it. Just 30 seconds. In this episode, it is mighty.
That way you could be the most responsible driver ever. And just watch YouTube.
Everything works. We got new door speakers on both sides.
Both sides.
Welcome to another episode, and it's
I should have played the Roadkill version. I like Roadkill a lot better.
Car shows in the world
True.
right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Roadkill. Yay!
Yay!
Finally,
All right.
We get to work with the other biggest car show in the world.
Okay, so what else can we show? Jucifer, any comments?
You can pretty much play games on here. And then navigation is pretty much a standard with Google Maps. Browse the web. I mean,
yeah, we can do Bluetooth here. It was a pretty simple.
yeah, it would have been simple if, you know, but we were kind of doing this in the blind almost. And
So basically, the tablet, RCA cables to the audio jack to the amp. Speakers are wired directly to the amp. And obviously the power source is right there in
yeah.
the trunk. So everything's just hooked up right there. It was in Daydream. This is perfect.
It's in Daydream, yep.
Daydream, and you just tap it, it turns back on.
That way the tablet doesn't go to sleep and you don't have to worry about how the hell am I going to get my finger to the power button because it's hidden behind.
Alright, and if you turn it off, turn off the power supply 15 seconds later. I have it set to 15 seconds, right?
15 seconds, yeah, the shortest.
And it would put itself to sleep.
It actually looks kind of fake. Like, that tablet looks like it's a fake tablet inside there.
And it's like, I would say it's a pretty flush mount.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a perfect fit, I want to say. What do you think, Drucifer?
No, it is. For what that is, like, I get that in my VW.
That's it. It won't
but
turn on when your car is off. But give it power.
what can you expect?
And this is how you make your Mazda Miata modern. I'm gonna fix this up. I know it looks like trash. It looks like nothing's safe, but trust me, it's everything that's connected to the battery is fused. I just have to clean up the wire. It's very messy.
It is, but for the time being, everything works. You know, you could pretty much... Speakers are pretty good for $40, the Kenwoods, KFC.